Hi guys, it's Becky. If you're new here, then welcome. But if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. Look what came today. I know I'm a bit late to the old Hobonichi order, but I had mine. I'm just going to take everything out. I had mine. Let me take everything out. Bye-bye yellow box. Never been a fan of the yellow box. I'm a bit late to the Hobonichi bandwagon. I had mine shipped to my Stackry and I wanted to wait for more things from that. So I decided to pick up a little 3-pack of notebooks, and it's the Hobonichi paper, but more of a white colour. And I think they're, no, it's got a little arrow, so I didn't know if they were perforated. But these are going to be perfect for just slipping in my A6 rings. So I got a pack of 3 of those. They're so cute, love them. Next up, I got the A6 weekly supplement booklet, because I am going to be using my A6 rings, and I thought this would be quite good for forward planning. So it's A6 size, and you get 2021 overview, and then it goes straight into your weeks. But these are really small, really small. And then you've just got all the weeks and a few little note pages in the back. So I wanted to see if I could use that. Next up, I saw on somebody else's channel they got these, and they're called book darts. And I got 7, the tin, and you get 70. And they come in this little tin like this. And they're tiny, teeny tiny little, like, bookmarks, like paper clips. And you can put them on, and they literally, my nails aren't helping here, they're literally not taking up, they're not including any bulk. So let's try it on. See, it goes straight onto a little page there. Close the book, you can hardly see it. I just thought they were so cool, and they weren't expensive. And so there's 50 in there. I just thought they're going to be really cool in my A6 for not bulking it up. Next up, I went with the Mega this year. This is my first Mega. Sorry, let's get it out. And I got it in this creamy colour, because my current one is a creamy colour, a creamy, like, pinky colour, but I like putting the jelly acetate over the top, and I like it being a light cover. I really like this. So the Mega, the difference is, oh, you get a little pocket. The difference is you're getting, wow, people like to use these for their dailies, but you're getting all of this notepaper in the back. And as I've said in my planner lineup video, I'm going to be using the weeks as my, like, Slimming World journey, exercise, weight loss. And I just think that amount of notepaper in the back for recipe ideas, for sins, I can put photos of my favourite meals in there. It can just be really useful. Love that. Next up, I got the pack. Oh, sorry, quite loud. I got the pack of notebooks that are A5 size, and you get 2 in the pack. And again, It's the Hobonichi paper, but as a notebook. And I just wanted to try these out because they're really thin, and I just thought, you know, stuck in the back of a Hobonichi or something, they'd be really cool. So here is the creme de la creme. This is going to be loud again. Here are my 2021 Avex. So this is the cousin, but split into 2 books. Oh, don't you just love a new book? Look at it. It's so like fresh, and does anybody else smell their books? Oh. So we'll have a quick flip for those that don't know. So the same as in the cousin, you get the yearly overview. Then you get these. A lot of people use these for habit trackers or as an index page. And then you go into your monthlies, which actually start in December and finish in July. And then this one, I believe, starts for July. Quick look. Yeah, this one starts for July. So you get your monthlies, and then it goes into your weeklies, and then it goes into your dailies, and then you've got a little bit of note paper at the end. These books do lie flat. I just love them. I just love them. So they're my Hobonichi books. And then I got 2 cover-on covers for the Hobonichi weeks, and I got 1 for the Hobonichi cousin. And I believe that it said that it fits the mega. So let's have a little look if it does. Don't really know what that's for. Unless it's something to do with the covers. Easy way to do this: fold your book in half and then bend the cover, and then little bookmarks. I normally cut them off. Look at that. Oh, I love that. You get a little pen loop in it as well. Yeah, so that fits nicely on there. And then the cover on cover fits nicely on the cousins. And then also I got 2 of the Hobonichi pens, I think, because I bought the weeks and the Avec. It is navy blue at the top. But that's a lot better than the red. They're really fine. So I think it's like a 0.38. I might give one of these to my daughter. And then we also got a fudge pen, which I believe is a hand lettering, which I cannot do. And then I think this is a little bit of paper. Oh, you get some little pieces of paper. Should we use one? Yeah. So you get like a gritty side and a smooth side. Let's go for the This is the brush pen. I think you're meant to write on the rough side. Oh, that's nice. Quite nice that, to have a little go. And that's it, guys. That is everything I got from Hobonichi. I hope you enjoyed watching this little tiny Hobonichi haul, guys. And if you did, then give me a thumbs up and all the good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.